Hello viewers, in this video I will show you how to log out Instagram account from all devices without changing passwords. So I will show the step-by-step process and it will work on your iPhone as well as Android device. So let's start it. First of all, you have to go to your Instagram profile. From here at the bottom right corner you will get your profile icon. So you have to click on this icon, then you will see this interface will come. From here you have to click on three line on the top right corner, then you will see this option will come. From here you have to click on settings, then it will take you to this page. From here you have to click on security, then this interface will come. From here you have to click on log in activity. From here you can see what types of device is open, device your Instagram profile is opened. From here if you just click on that device, right side three dot menu, then you will take you to this option. From here if you click on the logout, then you will log out from these devices. So in this way you can log out Instagram account from all devices without changing password. So I'm just clicking on logout, then it will show this option will come from, then if you just click on OK, then you can see that from that device you have log out your Instagram profile account. That's it. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any question. Have a good day.